Hello Bridget, hope you are doing well. Now I'm going to show you how to use Squarespace platform. So first of all, you wanted to know about how you can change wording results of to result. So let's start. Just click on the websites and you redirect to the home page. So if you want to change the features overview wording, just click on edit. You can see you can edit image, and if you want to link up edit to another website or page, just click on edit banner image, then design. Click design. You can see the functionality. So if you want to link up banner image to another third-party website link or whatever, just click, or another page, just click the URL. You can see this type of pop-up. Just you can add content, files, or external URL. Hope you understand how to link up another URL, and after complete this process, just apply. Your image will be redirected to another page. So the next last question was your last question was how you edit or change features to wizard. So just click over here. You can see you can then click here features overview. You can write or edit features to result, and you can write here your text, then click edit if you want to click add image, edit. You can see a pop-up window will appear. Just upload your image, then apply. You can change design from here. You can use inline, poster, shape, card, overlap, collage, stack, whatever. And you can see here is a process, caption below or over, caption overlay, over, donut caption. If you want, you can use. And you can also stress image, expand the container, full string, enable lightbox, and again the click through URL, and then apply. And there's learn more button. You wanted to remove learn more button. Yes, okay. So just click here. It's Squarespace system says remove this block. Yes, you wanted to remove learn more buttons. Hope you just click remove button, and a pop-up window will appear. Just to ensure whether you want it to remove or not. If you want yes, it will be removed. and if you want to give, then click on no. Hope you understand this process. Then when everything is okay, just click on save. You can see from here that feature converted to feature, and I am deleted learn more button, and I'll show you how you can add learn more button. Just click here. You can see content blocks is appear. Just click button. Yes, you can see learn more button. You can change button size, medium, small, or large, whatever. So I use small button here, and then apply. Thanks. This is the first tutorial, and I will send several tutorials that you can update or edit your website by your own. Have a good day, and thank you very much.